Good morning, everybody. My name is Stefano Negrini, CEO of Ortodontia Estense and founder of Hub 3D Orthodontic. Today, I want to tell you how do you make an RME palatal expander in Appliance Designer. Okay, let's go. First of all, you receive scan. First step, take off color, just because it's much better to understand and look very nice detail or maybe some defect or something like that. Okay. First, create part, click in the here plus, add something and select load models. Models for the software is not like a model like this one, but this like model, STL model. Click, select upper jaw, and the software open a window, and you in my laboratory the guy worked like this. We have all of the screw now. Before starting design, we import the screw, the right screw. The doctor need a 10 millimeter of expansion screw, and we have in a folder STL files. We have all the STL file for all of the company around the world, and you click screw and you select which one you need. Okay, good. We have other screw. Okay, the doctor want 10 millimeter of screw, in that case for Estodent screw. Okay, and we start to select 10 millimeter of screw for Estodent screw and open. The software show you this one, enable triangle, large triangle, but repair mode, but say okay, and you should screw and select okay, and the software import this one. This is the screw. Okay, pay attention. This one, the software show you an STL file, but this is a combination because this is two STL files in one. Screw, the body of the screw, and the second STL file is the two arms. Why I use these systems? Because I talk with my engineer here in the lab and the engineering, because the original STL file of the screw is just the body without the arms, and when you try to design, is so difficult, not impossible, but so difficult to design the arm and go inside, because this part is close to the gingival part of the palatal, and it's difficult to go inside because it's difficult to look very well. Obviously it's possible to remove on add on the model, but look, is in this part and it's difficult to go inside and design very well. That's why I use this one, because it's easy for me to start from here and design arms in all of direction. But during this video I will show you all the detail. Okay, import right now. Second step is to adjust the position of the screw in relationship of the model, and right now you click in the mouse with the in the right side and you select add and modify model. You select this one, global transformation, and now you have the possibility to move the screw Okay, don't touch this one and this one because you change, okay, you change dimension. Just this, the red dot. Okay, good. Put models. Put in transparency. Go like this. Okay. You check everything. Good. When the position for you is fine, done, and now all is fixed. Okay. Second, copy, change color, body, you go here again, you go here, split models, click on the screw and select keep, and the software remove arms. Go back here, again modify, split models and remove, and click in the body. Okay, now you have the two files, and for you is easy to make arms, and also sometimes put the screw just to understand if all in the right position or not. Good. Right now, design the custom bands. Click with the right in the mouse and select shell. Decide in which part you want to start, and you put the model in this way just to adjust the long axis, this one, in relationship with these three tooths, okay? And you click, you change the view and you click set insertion direction, and now is in the same direction. This is better for the software to make calculation and everything. Next, 0.7 offset. Offset, do you remember, is the distance between the internal surface of the custom band and the model, 0.05, and smoothing edge, high quality. And we start design. Click with the left in the mouse and you start to design. When finish, you select fast edit and you define better and better the design. Okay. If you want to reduce a little bit here, why not? When you select fast edit, the software add a lot of point, and this is better for is better for define a very nice design. Okay, when finished, okay, done. The software start to calculate everything here, you see, and in a bit, okay, all is done. Right now, next step, design the hole here and adjust the surface, smoothing surface, and prepare everything. Add and modify again. Spline cut. You design in the reverse clock way, and the software keep outside the line and remove inside the line. Look. That's why, look this one, the software, this is the part of the software, which part of software remove, and pay attention in that when you design the spline cut, you need to stay in this way just to have a good view, and also because if you design like this, the software create the cutting line in this way, and one of the problem is to stay close here in the board, and that is not good. You need to don't touch anything about the board here, and you need to go in this way. That's, you click apply and all is done. Go back here in wax knife, and okay, we have, do you remember three solution? Add, remove, and the smoothing. This is the dimension of the spot, radius of the spot, and this is the amount of material you add or remove in just in one click. My suggestion is to put this one 10 microns at the beginning. When your feeling with the software become better and better, it's possible for you to switch a little bit more. Okay, this is 3 times. Look, just one step is 3 times, 5 times, and this a lot of material. And also maybe this one 1.68 is good. You click remove and you go like this. I don't use smoothing in this time, just to click here like this, and also here maybe just to define something, reduce something, and that's it. And also add, and I like to smoothing here, and also here I like to increase a little bit material just to have a smooth surface, and that's it. Okay, one side is ready. The other side again, click with the right and look the model. Now the model is activated and the software recognize in which part, in which model you need to make a design. In this case is upper jaw. Shell. Okay, adjust the insertion like this. Select, and the insertion is in that way. Next. Again 0.7, 0.05 offset, and high quality of surface, and again. Okay, and finish, fast edit. Okay, done. Okay, now the last step, modify everything and smoothing. Okay, click with the right and the mouse and add and modify. Remember, spline cut, reverse clock, oh, okay, check, okay, go here, wax knife, put this in the minimum level, 10 microns, this is 1.6 is good, minus, okay, this one, okay, and go, plus, and smoothing here, ecco qua, let's go, good work. Okay, left and right custom band. Obviously the design of this one and this one depend of the request of the doctor. In this case was 55, 65, and obviously 45, 43, 55, 53, and that is the detail of the doctor. Okay, now we put screw and arms, and now we add arm here, and here, and here. Okay, good. First, some combination before going the last steps, and you select this one and this one. Just click one, click Control and select the other one. Look, all become with the green in the green line, and they say click with the right and combination, and the software recognize everything. And just for you to click OK and combine. Okay, that's now this is one file. The other two is this one. Okay, this is one file. Now you select the two arms of the screw and select this one and this one. Combine again. Okay, now this is one pieces, and now all the arms become here. This is the screw, and that's it. Now click here and bar. Okay, next. Okay, the software show you the first bar, but you know, usually we make this one 2 is much better. For the 3D is okay, and that's it. One is possible to add something. Do you remember? Just this is a little bit stretching. Look, now to come back into exactly 2 millimeter, you need to go like this. Okay, now the diameter is 2 millimeter, and you go like this, and you make something, and that is fine. If you want to put another one here, you need to go again here, and for you it's possible to go like this if you want to make everything a little bit smoothing, and that's it, and that is fine. Good. First arm is done. Okay, right now it's much easier because you click create copy. Okay, and the software recognizes all the diameter, everything, and you click define spline, and just for you to switch here and here, and the software recognizes everything. You put this one just to have the same. Okay, look, you click the red dot and you click Control, Alt, and the software adjusts everything in one step. Okay, right now this go like this. Okay, this is possible to go like this and like this. Pay attention every time to come back in the nice position. Okay, put the model just to show the difference between. If you want to double click, you see the distance here. Okay, double click, and maybe here double click. Okay, 2.5 millimeters distance. Put the screw every time just to understand here you have space or not, if you want to adjust something. Okay, second arm is done. Good. Okay, again, copy arm number 3, 1, 2, arm number 3. Okay, spline, okay, let's go. 1 and 1, and also Control, Alt, put model, check distance. Double click and all become okay. Now the design of the become better and better. Okay, done. Copy again, arm number 4. Control, arrow, Alt. Okay, let's go like this, let's go like this. So close here. Touch here is not good. We need to stay a little bit. Okay. Good. Come back a little bit just to go like this, and I want to stay inside of the design. It's much better to define everything. Okay, let's go. Done. Okay, now select one, control arrow the other one, and combine. Okay, now these two, control and combine. Good. Now the last two, control and click in the right and combine. Done. And now this one, click in the first part and in the last one, and now combine. Okay, now this is just one pieces. Okay, now smoothing and everything, take off everything. Now add and modify. Click this one, remove artifact, and one by one. It's not finished the smoothing. The first part of the remove artifact, you put the model and you put transparency and you check, look, some part is not removed. You click wax knife, minus, put this at the end, and this take off, put this one at the end also, just to have a small spot. You need to remove everything. Okay, look. Okay. Okay. Here, nothing. Yes, here a little bit. When the software don't remove this, for example, this one is because this touch, okay, now all is fine, start to touch the surface, because the inside surface is not possible to modify. Look, like this, look, I try to modify, but it's not possible because this is the reference surface. This is an extra part of the surface, and for the software is possible to recognize this is not the surface in the beginning design, and it's possible to remove something if you want to add that, to go a little bit speed. Okay, look, okay, now here is not possible to modify something because for the software is the master. Okay, now outside plus and smoothing the surface, just to make a very nice surface like this. Sorry, this is not possible because this is this design, this STL file become from the mechanical software, and if you try to look, if you try to smoothing, the software change this one, and this change triangle is not good. You need to have a smooth triangle. This one is fine. Okay. Okay, done. This one is the final result. RME with screw. This arm is 1.5 millimeter. This is 2. It's possible to make this one. We have 2 different, maybe 1.8 or 2, depend of the request of the doctor. You want strong arm or not, depend of the request. But also we use not 1.5 here, but minimum 1.8 or maybe 2. And for some appliances also 2.5, depend of this RME for Sharpe or something like that. Is the best in digital is possible is for you is the one of the interesting point is it's possible to change all of the dimension of the arm. For example, 2.5 in the back and 2 in the front, and that's it. That is the best of the 3D compared to the 2D. And here 1.5 because this one is 1.5, and you need to have this one in the very precise, close to, just for laser welding very well. The laser welding is just here when the pieces come back, just here and here, not here, but just here, 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 here. Pay attention, because the laser welding is not not for industrial, but you need to make a very nice laser welding. Okay. Thank you, everybody. And in this video magazine, I told you how do you make RME with screw and everything in Appliance Designer. Thank you very much.